Okay, Fletcher. So briefly, I want to explain this sheet to you and then the website you're going to use so you know what to do. So if you ever have time where you're waiting on others to finish or something like that, I want you to do this Wonderopolis inquiry activity. And Wonderopolis is this site right here. And I used to love it when I taught my gifted students because Wonderopolis contains like topics about all sorts of things that you might be interested in. So you'll go to Explore Wonders at the top and notice all of these are just like random questions or things that might go, I'm interested to know more about that. So, for example, you would pick one. So, like, which one you might be interested in? There's one I saw earlier. I'm having trouble finding it. Oh, Alan Turing. So, Fletcher, Alan Turing was a really talented mathematician, and he worked during World War II to help break what was kind of imagine like the biggest computer ever. But this is kind of like before computers existed. And so in World War II, the Germans had a machine, well, that was basically made of code known as Enigma. And they would use a series of codes to send messages. So Alan's job was to try to break that code. Okay. So notice here when I actually check on my wonder of the day, like, okay, I kind of want to learn about Alan. There's some different features. There's always a video that you can watch. There are pictures that you can analyze. Um, Obviously, there's kid-friendly reading, and you always will have, not always actually, sometimes there's a quiz off to the side in this blue box, and also sometimes where you see this red, there's like a vocab quiz as well, but not always. So Ms. Horn, once I analyze my wonder of the day, what do I do? So let's go back to our original sheet. So it says choose your wonder of the day. That was just an example one. Then it says complete the vocab quiz if it's available. Complete the did you get it if available. So for example, on this one that we just looked at, it had a did you get it, but it did not have a vocabulary. Let's see if we can find one with vocabulary so you can see an example of that too. Okay, so this one has the vocabulary. It's called wonder words. And you would take the wonder and you just click and drag sort of thing. All right. And you only do this if you see them. But then the last thing, Fletcher, that you're going to do is create an Adobe Spark. And I showed you how to do that in this video right here. Okay. And it says once you read about your wondering, answer who or what you learned about, list at least 3 facts, write one wondering question you have about the content you learned, and make one connection between the content and something else you know about. Once you make your Adobe Spark, on that video, I also showed you how to share it. You're going to take the link that you made and drop them here, and we'll talk about them once you've made them. All right, that's it.